I'm Wendy from Topsoil Kitchen and Market, and we are decorating our Christmas tree, and we had an idea of a fun garland to make for our Christmas tree from our farm. I save our feed bags because I feel like there's a lot of uses for feed bags, but today we're going to make some garland for our Christmas tree out of the feed bags. Okay, so first I'm going to cut off the bottom of the feed bag. So just regular scissors and just cut off the bottom and trim the top too if you need to. So we got a nice straight edge. I cut the bottom off and I left the top kind of rough, but I'm going to use a paper cutter and just cut strips of the feed bags. Now I'm just going to put this in the paper cutter and I'm going to cut like 1/2 inch to 1 inch strips of the feed bag. If you don't have a paper cutter, just a regular scissors will do. Just cut nice strips of this. Cut it in half. Then we're going to get our stapler and we're going to just loop these together just like you used to do in grade school. And we'll make a really pretty chain for our tree out of the feed bags.
Here, add this to yours. Oh, good. More creatures.